guys, look at the stadium. That whole thing up there, light comes through, it opens up. This is insane. Grab something to eat over there. Like a Coors. So we just come over here and look at that.
Ayan o, kasi walang bawal. Kasi parang labas mo. Oh my God.
This is Vegas for you all. If you're trying to cross the bridge, because we parked on the other side, it's so freaking hot. Just crossing this bridge, they offer you free water halfway through because, you know, they don't want people to die halfway through trying to get to the stadium here. All right, we'll say there's one downside to all this free water, all this littering that's going on here.
When the Lord Jesus Christ returns again, he's going to execute the ruthless judgment of God.
Air conditioned. Holy moly, this stadium is sick. Look at this place. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Guess what? It was free. It was free because all the machines are broken. This is a cashless zone, meaning that they don't take cash. Only credit card, electronic payments. Guess what? They're not working. You know, I don't think it's a bad idea to take cash, you know, for situations like this. Probably the only place in the whole stadium where it's peaceful and quiet. It's this hallway that's near the suites. It's really awesome because they're showing the construction of everything comes together. I do actually have some footage, drone footage of that, so I'm gonna have to share that with you all.
128. It would be easier. 128. So this is 140 and 290.
Like I remember when it was in this state. I actually flew my drone right through the girders. Really scared how that was going to turn out, dude. Not that good of a drone pilot. Okay, time for a break. We're in the stairwell. It's too much noise. Too much air conditioning blasting in your face. Too much, like, adrenaline. Too much testosterone. I feel like I need to go to a monastery just to detox. All right. You know, I was bragging earlier how I got free food. Well, now I'm hating life because machines are down again and I'm hungry and can't get anything to eat. They literally just shut down all the concession stands. Woo, we are high up right here. Almost on the 4th floor. Nosebleeds. Air is so thin up here. I feel like I'm a Sherpa up in the Himalayas.